Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have an Altec Lansing HydraBlast everything proof wireless Bluetooth speaker and you need to do a hard reset on it. Now you might want to do a hard reset on it for a variety of reasons. It might be not connecting to Bluetooth or not connecting to the wireless, or there might be problems with the sound. It might not be responding, anything like that. Or it might just be connecting to the wrong device. You just want to clear it out of all the devices so you can start new. So it's pretty easy to do. I'm going to show you how to do this. First of all, you're going to come and press and hold the Bluetooth button. And if you press and hold it for 5 seconds, the speaker will make a sound, and that means that it will disconnect it from Bluetooth. But if you continue to, don't let go, if you continue to hold it for another 5 seconds, it will actually completely factory reset, and it will forget all of the devices that it was paired with. And then you can let go, turn it back on, and you can just set it up like it was a brand new speaker at that point and hook it up to whatever devices you want after the 10-second hold.